Did you know that a microscopic tick can crawl onto your bare skin and feast on your blood for over 48 hours without you ever feeling a single scratch or bite? What's even crazier and downright terrifying is that these dangerous little bloodsuckers don't actually drop down from tall forest trees like most people mistakenly believe. Instead, they chill low in the tall grass and damp leaves, perfectly blending into the environment and waiting for you to walk by so they can latch onto your shoes or socks in a split second, silently hitchhiking up your body to hide in warm, dark, unnoticeable places like behind your knees, around your waist, or deep in your hair where you almost never check. The real danger here is that their saliva contains a natural numbing agent that completely freezes your nerve endings, meaning that while you think you are totally safe enjoying your weekend, they are already deeply attached and feeding on you, and by the time they swell up to the size of a bean and you finally spot them, it might already be too late because these tiny monsters carry devastating pathogens like Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever that can completely wreck your nervous system and ruin your physical health for years to come. But you don't need to panic or drench your skin in toxic, foul-smelling commercial chemicals filled with harsh ingredients to protect your family. Because today I am going to reveal a secret, ultimate, all-natural defense shield that you can easily whip up at home using basic kitchen ingredients. And one specific element completely changes the entire game, so make sure you watch every single second until the very end. To start building this natural barrier, grab a handful of dried whole cloves and crush them up real good using a mortar or a heavy spoon, because smashing them open is absolutely critical to release the highly concentrated eugenol oil, which acts as a powerful aromatic insect repellent that ticks completely despise. Toss those crushed cloves into a container and mix them with 300 milliliters of boiling hot water, letting the intense heat draw out all the active, heavy organic compounds for about 15 minutes until the liquid turns into a dark, highly potent herbal base. Next, you want to heavily upgrade this mixture by pouring in 100 milliliters of raw apple cider vinegar, which might seem like a basic salad ingredient, but it actually plays a massive role by completely shifting the pH level and the scent profile of the fluid, creating a sour, highly hostile environment that bugs will actively sprint away from because it mimics the smell of a predator. Now, for the ultimate secret weapon that seals the deal and magnifies the potency of this recipe by 10 times, you need to add about 15 drops of pure organic eucalyptus or peppermint essential oil because its sharp, icy, menthol-loaded vapor instantly overloads a tick's hypersensitive sensory receptors, rendering them completely blind and unable to smell your body heat. Stir the entire solution thoroughly to make sure the oils blend perfectly with the vinegar. Strain the dark liquid through a clean cloth to remove any leftover debris, and pour it into a portable, pocket-sized spray bottle so you can easily carry it with you anywhere. Make sure to mist this powerful DIY shield over your shoes, socks, and pants every few hours whenever you hit the hiking trails, work in your backyard garden, or take your dog to the local park. Stop risking your long-term health with silent, invisible parasites or covering your body in dangerous synthetic sprays. Mix this ultimate natural barrier today and enjoy the great outdoors with absolute peace of mind. Are you going to test this genius natural hack on your next outdoor adventure this weekend? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.